It was raining outside. No sweet water was possible, no outing, but it's Friday afternoon. I was craving for something, and my favorite is sizzling brownie. But how to get it? So I thought to give a try. To try something which will not be a good substitute, but at least will give me some satisfaction of doing something, trying something new, and at least having the brownie with ice cream and chocolate sauce, right? So just see what I have done today. May you will not like it, may you will like it. I don't know, but it was my try. I was satisfied with it. As it was the sudden try, it was the first try, and it was not bad at all. For the entire process, you should have brownie, ice cream, and chocolate sauce in your fridge. Other than that, I have used the roti making tawa, the roti burning net, and a glass lid. You can use any lid, and a steel plate. That's it. Each and everything is very common and very much available in any kitchen. No, ice cream. And the time for topping. Now see, my brownie is ready with ice cream and chocolate sauce. It does not look like the sizzling brownie we are habituated with. But it's not bad, right? At least instantly, whatever I able to manage at home, that impressed me. Wow, yummy.